This is a Valtac product overview of the Civivi Backlash. For those of you unfamiliar with Civivi, they are a subsidiary of the We Knife Company. We Knives has been making high-end knives since 2016, and with this Civivi line, they had an aim towards a more budget-friendly knife, while still maintaining that quality and fit and finish that We is known for. And with the Backlash, they've done just that. The Backlash feels amazing in hand, has great fit and finish, feels like a much higher dollar knife than it actually is. And the blade that it has is 3.5 inches long. As you see, it's got some nice belly there, all the way up, a little bit of flat there at the bottom, a very useful blade shape. And the blade is made from 9CR18 MOV, and the handles are green G10 scales. They have a nice light texturing to them and some contouring. And it has blue stainless steel liners that have been heavily skeletonized to keep the weight down on this guy to 3.88 ounces, which makes it very nice and light and easy to carry. And it has a deep carry pocket clip there to help you carry it, and it is reversible from left to right hand, tip up, carry only. It comes in green, tan, and black, and it is, in my opinion, one of the best looking knives I've seen, budget or otherwise. It feels amazing in hand, as I said. It's got an amazing action thanks to the ball bearing pivot that it rides on. And it is just a great knife to carry, to play with, and also to use. And if you guys want more info, feel free to go to valtactacticalgear.com.